Hello beautiful friends, my name is Katie and in today's video we are going to be doing some last minute Valentine's Day outfit crafts that literally take under 20 minutes each. So there's something you can do tonight and have ready for tomorrow. If you are a procrastinator like me, this is something that is absolutely perfect because you can literally either buy something at the thrift store tonight or use something you already have and have it ready for tomorrow. So let's get started. That is all for the tutorial. I hope you guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day tomorrow. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below or ring the bell notification because, you know, YouTube has funny algorithms and you may or may not see all of the fun and exciting DIYs and, you know, last minute DIYs that pop up that are, you know, only have a day left for you to do if you wanted to do them anyway. So I hope you guys have a fantastic week and especially a fantastic Valentine's Day, whether you are spending it with someone special or with yourself relaxing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!